Good morning, students. Today we are going to understand the attributes cell spacing and cell padding. Cell padding and cell spacing are the two attributes which is used in a table to appear a content look like this. It is a table made up of two columns and two rows, and here the output is like this. I have taken A, B, C and D as a data or content, we can say. Now how to give or what is the basic of cell spacing and cell padding? So cell padding first of all, cell padding is the space. It is the space from the border to the table border to cell content is the space. This space is called cell padding, and the space between the content the space is known as cell spacing. Means whatever content we are writing, the whole space created over here is termed as cell spacing, and the border from border to the table border, the content border to the table border, the space that is created is termed as cell padding. So it is a very important concept of table. So how can we write this in code? Let us understand. First of all, from body we started table. In table we have mentioned one border equals to 1. This is the attribute we have used in earlier programs. Now cell spacing, here we can write cell spacing equals to, I have taken 5, and cell padding also equals to 5. So by this way in table tag we have to give the attributes cell spacing and cell padding. So this 5 is the points, means the thickness of the cell content, thickness of the cell border and table border. So cell padding and cell spacing, we know that cell padding is the space from the table border to the cell border, and within the cell border the cell spacing is the space from table content, whatever content we are writing, to the content border. So it is the cell spacing and cell padding. In this also we can use the height and width attribute also. So whatever your table's height and width is there, it is also depicted with the help of height and width attribute. So height and width attribute we can use. Now we want to give a BG color. So we can use BG color equals to, BG color means the background color. We have used this attribute in body tag. So in table tag also we can use this BG color, means the table background will appear whatever color we use. I use the yellow color, so it will be BG color yellow. That means what type of table we are using, the background color of this table should be in yellow color. So yellow means BG color. We are applying BG color in the background of the table. So table should use that color. Okay. We can use table row. We are writing as like this: table border equals to 2. Just a code I am writing. I am writing the code. Table border equals to 2. I want to give a row a single color. So we use TR BG color equals to blue. I have given TR BG color equals to blue. Now then data TD A, TD close, TD B, TD is being closed. After that TR is being closed. Again TR BG color equals to yellow. Then table data C, table data is being closed. Then table data equals to D, table data is being closed. Now TR is being closed and then table is being closed. So this is the command I have written. So by this command, whatever command I have written, the code I have written, it will give an output like this. Means I have created 2 rows, that means these 2 rows, and 4 data is being there: A, B and C and D. A, B, C and D. So I have given a color TR equals to blue. That means BG color blue. It will appear in this row. First row is of blue color, and the second row is being in this second row. This is the first row and this is the second row, which appears as yellow. So this is the use of BG color. So we can use BG color in directly to the table, or we can use BG color as row wise. That means whatever row we are creating, we use different BG color or different color for that row. So I have created 2 rows. This one row, this is the second row. I want to create third row or fourth row. Then I want to display the color, change the color for third and fourth row. So we can use like this. Okay. Thank you.